Story time.
The day awakens with promise. It's a canvas splattered with golden hues. A curious tiny figure darts through the grass, filled with joy. A fluttering presence catches the eye. Enchantment spins around her as she dances closer to the alluring shine. What magic lies beneath the surface? Shadows and intentions collide. Greed takes flight in a rush of feathers. The necklace glimmers like a beacon of desire. A man's heart races with loss. The weight of what is missing burdens his steps. Each second ticks toward despair. The duo stands united. Adventure calls, echoing the importance of integrity. Shiny things are mere distractions from the truth. Up high, uncertainty grips him. The weight of his choice imposes a struggle. What is the cost of this treasure? Kindness opens doorways. The hardened heart falters. Together, they present honesty as a powerful ally. The conflict resolves in silence. A choice materializes, not just for himself, but for others. Truth glimmers with the promise of joy. A moment of connection blooms. Hands meet and smiles unfurl. Joy ripples as gratitude transforms the atmosphere. Rewards flow like a river. An embrace of friendship forms over shared meals. Life thrives with honesty as the root. Bound together now, they reflect on lessons learned. Shadows of the past retreat as understanding deepens, casting away loneliness. Harmony emerges from the day's adventure. Together, they inhabit moments of clarity, finding comfort in what's truly valuable, each other.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.